Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on TikTok. So open the TikTok app. Next, go to the profile of the person you want to block. Once you're on their profile, tap the share button. It's the arrow icon at the top right corner. So click on it and look for the option called block. Click on it. So TikTok will show you information about what it is. So once you're sure about this, tap block again to confirm.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So once you block someone, they won't be able to view your profile, videos, or live streams. They can't message you or interact with your content. They won't be notified that you've blocked them. And that's it. So that's how you can block someone on TikTok. Thank you for watching.